This cocktail is called a Brandy Highball. Go ahead and take your highball glass and add your ice right to the glass. Yay! We're going to make it right in the glass. Then we're going to do 2 ounces of brandy. Any type of brandy will do. There we go. 1, 2. Now right there in your highball glass, you're going to fill the rest up with your carbonated water. Like so. Now take your mixing spoon and go ahead and mix. Stir it up really good. Last but not least, you're going to want the peel of a lemon. Now, if you have lemon wedges at home, you have a lemon, you don't know how to make a peel, it's real simple. Chop it up and then take the peel of the lemon off. I'm trying to make it real simple at least. Yeah, there we go. Twist the lemon peel and go ahead and throw it on in there. And that's what your Brandy Highball is going to look like. Garnish it with a straw and you're good to go. Cheers.